I'll let you screw yours on first. I guarantee you, I'm gonna have to push that peak way out.
Yeah.
I'm 4 inches over this. I'm 4 inches over this truss. Get clear.
Oh well.
So he made a 1 inch line. He made a 1 inch line on this truss here, and that's where he's attempting to start his hat channel, because it's 5 foot on center, so it's 10 foot to the center. So that whole truss will have to go out like that to be in the center. Now pull 5 feet from the outside to the inside for the mark. Here, let me do mine because I can do mine anyway. I gotta mark mine. So hook it on that truss. You know the truss, so 5 and it's in. That way they're nice and straight, and my sheet metal will come up probably about to here, right up to about to here. So I got just a little bit of gap in my roof, and then my ridge cap is 9 3/4 and 9 3/4. So its ridge cap's pretty wide, probably about it's 18, no, almost 20 inches. Oh, that screw was hot. That burned my finger, dude. So it's got nice straight there. That's why we do string lines.